Last time on Metal Gear. What the hell is happening? Come on, man. What the fuck is that? What the fudge nugget?
Welcome back.
Welcome back to Metal Gear. He's been jacking that poor dog up. That dog is not going to have any fur left where he's petting him.
That could be worse.
Still got D-Dog, and I am still fucking happy about that decision. By the way.
That's better than a dumb horse.
I am...
We've had this in there linger since the last time?
Yeah.
That gave us all the money we have. We had 87,000.
What are you talking about?
No idea.
Automatically assign the staff. You need to assign the staff, don't you? Did you do that already? My bad, I missed it.
No, we only had oh, there's Rocket League.
Rocket League! Look, if you play that game and you want to play, I'm down.
What? Something changed here?
Yes. All staff.
Supernatural. Technology. I don't know much about science.
Okay.
Nice. What's the dev team look like? Or what's our development at? Can we design anything where we can...
You made anything useful?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. Let's see. Got the same shit that we had from last time.
Yeah, the new shit's going to be at the bottom. Oh, that's new, actually.
What's that?
That Cabarga? No, the one in green. The Cabarga that's non-lethal. How is that non-lethal? What the fuck are you shooting out of that damn thing?
I don't know. That is lethal.
Is it lethal?
Yeah, it's damage.
Go down to the bottom. You know, we really ought to get a decoy at some point. Those things... Whoa! Where did all these fucking...
Boxes
come from? We need boxes that too. Not those boxes. Those are $100,000 cardboard boxes.
I was about to say, we don't need that shit.
This is just like the fucking government. $100,000 for a cardboard box.
The decoy may be kind of useful though.
I don't know. I think we always have a spare item slot anyway, so we should probably get the decoys and take them in. I think we've got the max on those that we can have.
Okay. Just checking to see we didn't have a iOS update or something.
iOS or look,
iDroid.
don't ever fucking say iOS.
Yeah, I know.
To me, I will punch you in the dick.
All right. So what are we doing?
You have missions. We have side missions to do.
Okay. Side missions or missions?
We have lots of side ops.
Okay. Let's see.
We have lots of side ops to do, if I remember right from last time.
I do have a question. Stop moving, you fucking dog. There's literally a knife, Velcro to the side of this fucking dog's suit right there. How the fuck does he use it? We can't use it.
No, he used it like the ninja. Have you ever seen Ninja Gaiden? It's like the Ninja Gaiden dogs. They reach over and grab it off their side and put it in their mouth. Side swipe.
Is that what it is?
You don't even know how much of a badass. Your dog is so badass, he's kept from you how badass he is.
Well, maybe we should use that. See what it looks like at least once. We paid for it.
Well, next time you go loud, have him take on somebody, see if he uses a knife.
So you're thinking he swipes it off of his side, or bites it off of his side,
right?
Goes to the guy's throat and just kind of swipes it through?
Something like
Why
that.
Why can't he just fucking bite the guy's throat?
He probably could, but that'd be bad on your teeth over time if you attack people with body armor, right?
No. If you bite the throat's kind of soft. Why?
But not if it has body armor. Bark command for D-Dog is now available. Why does he have an eye patch? What? There was an update.
When was the last time you fucking updated your PlayStation? Good grief.
Last PlayStation, so like a week ago.
So what, everybody decided to update their shit this week?
Apparently. No, that's not true. I just turned that bastard on 3 days ago. To tell other people about how crazy work is.
That was over 10 years ago now. You suspected he was responsible for the accident at your base in the Caribbean. But at that point, Zero was already bedridden. So it never felt right to me that Zero gave the order. Now that I've seen the man...
Zero, the old guy in the wheelchair.
Well,
I'm
yeah,
sure he didn't. I know that man. He was our old friend's XO. A man without a face. Not one you want to look at anyway. Skullface. He's the one who destroyed your base 9 years ago. The unit he commands, XOF, was Cypher's strike force. But he since split from Zero and used XOF to usurp control over Cypher itself. In other words, the Cypher we're hunting isn't Zero. Beyond Zero is a void that's even darker. Skullface.
Okay, why did he radio that shit to you? Could be a fucking...
By the way, I would like to point out that you bowed out at the wrong time. I fought Sahelanthropus, which is the new giant-sized Metal Gear.
Uh-huh. Did you win?
Yeah. Yeah. After like 30 minutes of hiding like a bitch, but yeah.
So I bowed out at the time you were hiding like a bitch?
like literally, we got out of the base and the giant robot sprung up and attacked. Mine clearing? What is that?
I guess you're clearing mines?
What is that, a D-Dog thing? Go do that. That's worth a lot of money. That's like 80,000, right? Look at that shit.
So is it... Oh, okay.
Just to put D-Dog in danger, not ourselves? Fuck it.
So which one is it?
Oh, maybe he's gonna dig up mines with a knife.
No.
Change our suit. That armor makes us look goofy as fuck.
You wanted to wear it.
Sneaking suit. I know. I just wanted to see if I would like it, and I don't. I mean, I really don't. I don't think we take any more damage.
It looks cool, but I don't know.
I can't be bothered with this shit right now.
It's the Hulkbuster sneaking suit.
Those things don't make any sense.
What?
Hulkbuster sneaking suits. It's like a giant contradiction, right?
Isn't that what that is? It's a sneaking suit with extra ceramic that probably makes a shit ton of noise.
Right.
So
no, I don't disagree.
Yeah.
I agree with you.
So it's a Hulkbuster sneaking suit. Then again, it's probably seen me play. So it's like, look,
You need this.
you need this. Why? Because, okay, we understand you're sneaking around, but you're going to take a shit ton of hits. So here, we're going to build this for you.
But you just don't realize how bad you are right now.
I don't understand that either. They gave his ass a fucking, scuba gear.
Damn you, Scuba Steve!
They gave the dog scuba gear. That's what they gave him.
It's kind of true. It's kind of what it looks like. You'll get no arguments from me. Which is a little bit strange. Did you drop off at the right area?
Be careful down there, boss.
Okay.
Where's you?
Down there, right? Yeah.
Mine clearing? Okay.
It's just,
Okay, you did set a waypoint. Good on you. Look at you fucking learning shit and doing shit the right way now. Let's hope you don't.
fuck up. We're finishing.
You know what? All right. So this is a legitimate complaint people have about your twitchiness with the camera and my twitchiness with the camera. We gotta start doing slow sweeping movements. P.S. If you don't like Twitch, you probably shouldn't be on our channel because that's not good. Yeah, like that. That's what they want.
Okay.
That's what at least a couple people want. Not what you just did. Slow sweeping. There you go. That was a little better. Still a little glitchy, but that one's better.
They just
Stop.
Wait a minute.
Stop.
No, I think we're fine.
The dog found some landmines.
Yeah, I was gonna say that the dog's gonna find them for us, I think.
So what do you do with them?
So I guess we're about to find out. Okay.
Wow, that one is literally right at your marker, like they were expecting you to mark that exact location. D-mine.
So really, all you're doing is walking up and just snatching them?
Yes, they are claymores though, so be careful.
Oh yeah, I know.
Don't get in the area where they would blow your ass up. I guess that is all you're fucking doing.
This is the easiest
Well,
AG I've made.
I know, right? It's like, man, I love this game. And the risk of you getting discovered is nil. There doesn't seem... You dumbass.
It was pointed away from me.
No, it wasn't. The cone was
it?
facing right towards you, man.
Well, it's disarmed. No one else can get hurt.
That was an easy side mission. Next.
What the fuck?
He's just laying down, man. He's chilling. He's waiting for you.
It said the bond with D-Dog has decreased. What did I do?
You blew him up.
I was in front. If anything, it should increase. I was his human shield.
No, anytime you let that dog take damage, that's not gonna happen.
Okay. What's next?
Combat deployment. We still need to go get our people, man. Send them on missions. You haven't done that.
Okay.
Combat deployment.
We just doubled our money. What the fuck have we been doing?
Well, we didn't. You didn't go in here and look last time. Staff recruitment. You could do.
We don't need any C's. I don't think we need C's, D's, and E's. You know, that's all we're doing is recruiting staff.
Yeah, no, we need. That's the biological shit. We need that. GMP. We need that. I'd send the A+ and the B team.
Let's see.
That has fighting.
Right. So what's in? Was it 95-10, 95-10, 95-10? I guess the A team it is.
Storage shed destructor.
Yep.
Don't you have another team you can send?
No, all we have is 2, I think.
Combat team?
Let's look. I think all we have is 2, right?
I don't think so. It's not a matter of the number of teams, it's a matter of the number of soldiers. Forward operating bases.
Yeah, so we can't send anyone.
Okay.
Okay. Next slide up.
Can you do the mine thing again? It's worth a shit ton of money. Eliminate armored vehicle unit. What is that? You're gonna need a rocket launcher for that if you do that one. Either one of those, actually.
Not necessarily. What if we were to just steal it?
They're gonna be in it and driving it. I don't think you can steal it while they're in it. Remember all the vehicles that I found, they had to be empty when you got to them. Otherwise, you couldn't get in them.
Well, let's find out.
Find out what?
Let's find out. We need tanks.
What we need is for Emmerich to develop our new shit. I think we have to progress the story so that we can fucking...
Well, yeah, but we can steal tanks too, right? Can we?
No, because we can't airlift them out. Where is that mission? Did you even see where it was?
Well, I'm taking the helicopter.
Oh.
So the helicopter's picking up because it's way, it's like 2,000 meters away. See?
We always get on good old Dior's. You keep that dog around, sir.
Arriving shortly at LZ. This is P1 on station at LZ.
Okay, we're ready to go.
What the hell is your dog barking at?
Probably, he just marked those, what are the goats? Man, what are they?
Sheep. It's really...
Let's go too fast.
It's the same thing we always look at. It's the sheep, man.
Alright, so we're gonna do, which one?
I don't know. You were looking at the potential side ops for fucking getting tanks and shit. Or blowing up tanks.
Well, some tells me, like you said, if we can't pick it up, what are we gonna steal it for?
Well, we can't steal it. That's the problem is that you seem to think you can steal the tank. I don't think that's possible if somebody's in it. I think it has to be empty. The hell was that? That was your phone.
No, it wasn't.
I'll have to go check. What was that? Like, you guys probably didn't hear that.
What the hell is that?
I don't know.
It sounded like mice, like screeching. You hear that?
That would be this thing.
Okay. Okay, most random shit ever. Alright. That was random.
What sounds like Michael Jackson followed up by a squeaky rat.
Well, it is Halloween. Maybe we got a fucking ghost here.
That is true. It's a possibility. Alright, so you're gonna try this? Eliminate the armored vehicle?
Yes.
So you just gotta blow the shit up, man.
Where's the
Is that it right there? The big blue.
So they're gonna part. Okay. If that's
Make
the big
sure you select your equipment. Also put on the decoy, homie.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Primary weapon, rocket launcher. Yeah, replace one of the boxes. It doesn't matter. Stealth camo, you can equip that. That'll at least let you pull an A, a max of an A. It'll make you suck less. It'll make me suck less too.
Wait a minute, where's the decoy at?
Is it under sport weapons?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it looks like we're ready to go.
Yeah, it does indeed. Really? You just couldn't leave the blood on there that you had rightfully earned?
I don't think I earned that. I could have sworn that cone was pointed the opposite direction. But then again, that wouldn't have made any sense though, because then it would have been pointing right at the rock.
Amazing how your logic kicks in after the fact. Don't get the dog blown up anymore.
I'm telling you, the dog was nowhere near me, I thought.
He follows you around like he's right on your ass. If you get blown up, he gets blown up. That's why when you take him on the tank mission, don't take him. Take the horse. Nobody fucking cares if the horse likes us. Including us. We do not care if the horse likes us. Get those guys.
Dude, the helicopter's literally gonna drop us in? Really?
Yeah.
This is not gonna end well. And I like how they just watched the helicopter go by. Good job, driver. Okay, this was the dumbest fucking, but I blew up the helicopter.
No, you blew up the... You gotta kill those guys.
They didn't want to kill them, I just wanted to wound them. This is the dumbest fucking place to put me. This is the dumbest.
Kidding around. Snake?
This is the dumbest place to fucking park me. Really?
It's where you chose. It was right in the center of the blue fucking circle. You come on, you should have.
Wait a minute. You were the one that said right there. It's right on top of the circle.
Yeah. Why didn't you expect there to be enemies? Why didn't you think it would be there? I mean, it had to be somewhere really near there, right?
Well, I figured it'd be at the at the edge of the circle. No. It's like the guy picked. Oh, that's the fucking tank you gotta take out. I'm gonna leave you really close, okay?
Don't worry, I got this.
That was dumb.
Quit your damn crying and get
You know
the
what,
job
though?
done. You shoot the damn ATV?
Might as well before it fucking shoots me.
Yeah, see, you gotta kill the soldiers too. Not rocket launcher. Or whatever. not rocket launcher. Rocket launcher! Shoot him. You down that guy. What the fuck? 40% chance of him surviving. Good luck, son!
Well, the only reason that is because he's hurt. I'm hoping to save him.
Looks like that fall killed him.
That fall?
He didn't fall!
That fall? Looks like that fall off his ass.
Okay. Work done. Check, I guess.
Alright, now you gotta take out a tank.
Stupidest location, I swear.
Look, man, don't blame the location.
No, I blame the fucking, the pilot, shit.
$114 out of 150.
What's that?
So many fucking operations we gotta do still, dude. That is ridiculous.
Roger.
Is it Roger? I don't know if you're Roger or if you're somebody fucking else.
Might as well get some money. Want to hear?
I think you missed that cheap.
No, I didn't.
That one you shot directly in the dome.
We figured what? We were gonna make what, 200 a pop off of these?
What the fuck? You can really send that fucking... Are you kidding?
I think I'm putting it in my pocket.
I know. I don't think that does what you think it does there, Snake.
Hey, that's Dumb and Dumber.
That's a terrible, terrible callback. Accurate, I will give you. But
Well, what else do you do? You guys scooped it up and put it in his pocket.
some shit.
Oh, God. Okay, this game has been loopy. So far.
Because Metal Gear.
This has been
Look,
loopy
just
so far.
just remember, repeat this phrase to yourself. Why? Because Metal Gear.
A clandestine insertion 20 meters away from the tank. I won. I shot a fucking bird, put it in my pocket. What else is next?
Do you know what clandestine means?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I know.
I'm just checking.
Yep.
Because people throw around that word a lot. Like everything else in the English language these days, nobody is taught proper fucking English. So people use words out of context that make no sense.
No, I know exactly what that means.
Perfect. I'm just making sure. Would you like... Do you think people want us to define clandestine so that we can prove that we don't know what that word is?
Leave us a comment. What do you think clandestine means? No Googling.
They're gonna fucking Google it.
That's why I said no Googling.
They're gonna Google it though. Look, I would lie to us. Yeah, I totally didn't fucking Google this, even though I did. I would lie. Yeah, I don't begrudge you for lying if you do.
I'm using a lot of those big words now because I watch Razor Fist a lot. Shout out to Razor Fist, by the way.
Right?
Your shit fucking rocks.
His movie reviews are amazing.
Okay, we got.
Absolutely love them.
So we got an emblem of a raven for fucking collecting a raven. Is that
Apparently, that is true, sir. I don't know. Maybe that's what it looked like to me, but I don't quote me on that because I don't know. That just seemed really weird.
Again, so far it's been so fucking loopy. I don't get it. Okay. So now we're gonna go to.
You have to go. Are you gonna go blow up a tank? Is that what your next mission is?
Yes. Eliminate the armored vehicle unit number
2. Well, the first one went really well. It's right there. No, look, you could do that.
Okay.
It's that one's not in the immediate center. It's probably gonna fly by it though, and you should probably shoot the shit out of it with the chopper machine gun.
No, this is our dumbass pilot. He's gonna say, "Oh, it's down there. Let me hover over."
Found it. Don't worry. I'll take you down right on top of it. You'll be able to drop out of the chopper into the manhole.
Yeah.
They can put you in a vehicle. That's what you're after, right?
Fucking stupid.
God damn it, Herb.
I just didn't want to
Give me one of them birds while you're down there.
Right.
Bird.
Pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
This makes no sense, I swear.
Pretty bird.
I just saw that shit. He got the shit cut out of him all the way down across his ear.
Yeah. He's been fucked up, dude.
So is the dog.
I don't know. How does a puppy even lose its eye like that? That makes...
Alright.
Especially like in a cross pattern. Did you see how the dog lost his eye? Like the scar is a cross pattern. Like somebody took the biggest fucking Phillips head screwdriver on the planet and just went...
Are you serious?
Be careful down there, boss.
Alright, so where did this asshole lead?
Better get out your rocket.
I am.
Rocket launcher!
I gotta figure out where it's at anyway, though.
Gotta be down that way. Wait, this is where the landmines were. You aren't gonna fail this again, are you? There they are. Hot your sniper, you can go loud and proud. Oh, there it is. Shoot the shit out of it. It's a rocket thing. While they're next to it.
Well, 4 out of 7, not bad.
You better fucking shoot that tank. It is not dead. It is not dead. Now I think it's dead. It's on fire now. Alright, there you go. Now you can machine gun the shit out of some people. There's one guy left.
Probably a sniper somewhere. Sad thing is not even me twitching and stuff. I can save this guy.
Don't try to save him.
You get rewarded for that. Will you take his ass up there?
What fall occurs? What fall is occurring? A curling? What the hell?
Okay, speaking of fucking
Not able to use
yeah.
English. Look, I didn't say you couldn't invent new stupid English words. You can invent. My vocabulary is amazing.
Vocabulary, huh? Actually, there's what is it over here? There's prisoner extraction we can go do real quick. Literally down the road. Well, not quite literally down the road, but
You can go do it if you want to. I mean, I don't see the problem with it, but you got another side op to do.
that is set up.
Well, but that's one with like 60K
Oh, yeah.
payments, one, isn't it?
Let's check. I just kind of saw that was one.
We got
close.
another fucking blow up another tank thing. I guarantee you, we have 10 side ops now. Eliminate the heavy infantry. Those are the dudes with helmets and armor and shit.
Yeah. Let's do that. We gotta do a mission one of them pretty quick.
Roger.
We gotta advance the story, man, because we're doing good. We actually almost have $1 million.
What?
Yeah.
No way. We don't have $1 million.
We're close.
No, we don't. We're like 600,000 tops, right?
761. Why the fuck are they putting a goddamn extraction point on top of the mountain?
Because you came. That's the extraction point you were on. You came down it. You're running the wrong way around the fucking mountain. First off, you're gonna ignore me?
I'm already.
I just told you you were running the wrong fucking way around the mountain.
Well, but okay. I'm just saying. I think.
No, there's only one way up that mountain.
And it's all the way around the other side.
Yeah, and you came down it. You should have went back the way you came. I don't know why you're calling those fucking choppers anyway. No, by the time you get to the fucking place, you'll be able to run up the mountain. You'll be able to goddamn run there on foot. I would think. Yeah, see? Recognize this? You know, not where the sheer cliffs on the other side are.
Something tells me I was almost all the way around it though. Alright, there we go.
I like how they land right on top of your head. There's an obstruction at the LZ. It's me. Oh, never mind then.
No, that was the horse, remember? The horse always got in the fucking way.
Yeah. Yet another reason not to like D-Horse. I wish they'd put like a gag thing in, like the headband, like they did for the other Metal Gears. It was called D's Nuts. It was like the infinite ammo or something. You know what I'm saying? Because everything in the game is called D something, D Nuts. Come on. You'd have liked it.
D nuts. D's nuts. Okay.
You'd have liked it.
Alright.
Gonna do another side mission?
I mean, we're getting money.
You can get those out of the way. Alright, is our eliminate the heavy infantry is 80,000. You've already got a rocket launcher. Just remember to blow those dudes the fuck up. Because heavy infantry don't fuck around. You get shot a lot. I don't know if you're aware of that.
What are you talking about? I didn't get shot I did get shot once last time. Okay, I did get shot. I was like, when did I get shot? It was like, oh, that one guy that I...
You get shot a lot, actually.
Well, I'm not sneaking around either, though. This entire episode, I have not done any sneaking around. This is literally shoot shit from a helicopter.
You know what? That's true. I can't dispute that because that is indeed factual. You haven't really done any sneaking whatsoever. Yeah. Of course, when you have to blow shit up, I don't know if there's any sneaking to be done. Yeah. If we had our cargo shit, I would say, because that last one, you could probably have actually jacked that out of the area.
We do need to get that moved up.
Yeah, but I don't know how you move it up. It's got to be story. The last time we got one progressed, it was because of the story.
Here's the sad thing is we can figure out what we need. We're just not bright enough to have done it before.
Why is that?
Why aren't we bright enough? No. I'm sure there's a lot of factors that go into that. Genetics being one. Like common sense being another.
Genetics probably the primary one?
Probably.
Be careful down there, boss.
Watch. Let's see, where's the picture of the, where's the Fulton shit?
It's over at the end.
Is it at the end? No, that's the armor. That's the arms. There it is. We need a few more levels in R&D.
We need a transport specialist.
And a transport specialist. I was going to say we need a few more levels in R&D. No, we don't. We have that already.
We have everything.
Yeah.
We need a transport specialist.
Okay. And I'm assuming he's going to be right there.
Hopefully at least around there. Start looking at the dudes.
I am. I'll just come up here. So if I gotta shoot, I'm already gonna be in range.
That dog is marking something. There's your targets to the left. He marked them for you.
Yeah, no, I see it. I just wanted to mark those guys too. These are actually the ones that I need to get.
Those two dudes are the ones you need to eliminate. Rocket launch those fuckers. Rocket launch up.
Right on.
Oh, they're walking away from you. Never mind. You can probably take them out. Now blow them up with the rocket launcher. Gotta take it far enough away from the base that...
That's the target.
Can you... Damn! One of them survived!
There. Done.
There you go. Now, go look at those other dudes, see if we can get a transport specialist out of it. Didn't we have a mission for... I thought we had a transport specialist.
Me too. Soldier. Soldier.
He's got some kind of specialty.
You know what the sad thing would have been? One of those assholes were a transport specialist, which is moving the fucking Valhalla.
I like how you use a religious yet off mainline religion. We just blasted their ass to Valhalla. What? Been watching fucking Halo much recently?
What are you running for, buddy?
You don't want to try to put him to sleep?
I don't think they know where I'm at yet.
That guy's twitchy as fuck. Don't go around the right.
I am, but I gotta get back around here. Behind this light.
He's coming too. Roger that.
That dude is gonna see your ass. What are you doing?
You can see nobody.
Oh yeah? What do you call that?
I thought you went the other guy.
What
This
the-
this is the guy that was.
Can we take one of those big ass machines?
Yeah,
Can you fold to one of those now?
I think we can.
Cargo plus one?
Subject on board. Leave the rest to us.
We need a transport specialist, man. Maybe we should do those prisoner extracts till we get a friggin' I really could have swore we had one.
Why don't we see if we can find one? Let's see. Let's look at mission list. Rescuer, quick draw, gunman, rescuer, bionics,
Well, it's gonna have to be another one, right?
electrospitting, transportation specialist. Oh, and guess what? It's a mission we haven't done yet.
Oh, there, go do it.
This one I do need a chopper for.
Well, it's a main mission too, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Roger.
Was it a main mission or a side up?
No, it's a main mission.
Okay.
Mission number 11.
Active sonar +2.
Did we just miss this over here?
What? Chopper?
I don't know. It's been on there. I just kind of wanted to.
Arriving shortly at
We were literally right here.
Huh.
All right, beat me up, Scotty.
This is Pequod. On station at LZ.
Thanks for blowing all the dirt in my eye, you dick. Why you have to be such an asshole? Pequod.
I don't think it's Pequod's fault. I think it's the fucking dumbass fucking chopper pilot.
That isn't. Aren't we calling him Pequod? I know it's the name of the ship, but
I thought the helicopter. I thought the call sign was Pequod. I didn't think the pilot's name. We were calling him Pequod.
well, we usually call him dumb shit. I mean, I don't know what his appropriate name would be. If we're going down that path.
Hey, we got an A soldier. Which means it's time to...
Sniffling Buzzard? Is that what that said?
Yeah.
That's fucking ridiculous. What kind of a name is that?
Not any better or any worse than Punished Snake.
Punished Venom?
That's even worse. Punished Venom Snake.
That's us.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it's not any better or any worse. Alright, staff management.
Fuck that guy. Whose son is that we can't get rid of him? Is that like the senator's son or something?
That or fucking Miller's son. Look, he's a fuck up. Alright, we're just gonna keep him on board.
We're not gonna do anything with him. He's literally gonna sit in the waiting room every operation, every time.
Look, my ex is being a bitch. Alright, I gotta give him a job. So, it is what it is.
It's that or child support. Take your pick.
Alright, mission list. Oh, we have 2 of them already. And it's pitch dark. Crude oil is leaking.
No, we need
Oh
this.
shit, look! That's a new location. And it also has a transportation specialist.
What?
That's in Angola. Angola's Zaire.
Yeah, but go do the other one.
I got excited because...
We do need another... Well, we're gonna need another transportation specialist regardless.
So where are we going? Just right here?
Why do you ask? You ask like I know. Do your secondary sniper. Sleepy sniper. It's not silence, but you put a motherfucker to sleep with it.
And I think it's... Yeah, I think we're good.
Do your bionic commando bullshit.
Hey, that's cool.
The bionic man. I can't believe they got that sound effect.
You know what? I'm gonna see if I can find that from my phone. Tell me that would be good for a text message.
I think you get tired of shit as hearing it after a while. That's one of those ones that sounds like a good idea every once in a while if it could just be randomized in. Or like maybe one specific person's that doesn't text you a lot. But probably if you make it all your text messages, that would be annoying as shit.
Mission is to rescue a prisoner being held in a remote haunted palace. He's known as Malak, being shown to his fellow Shahadin. Start by checking the target's VI on your iDroid. The Soviets captured him and took him to the ruins of the palace. His family was subsequently killed in an airstrike on his village. The Soviet scorched earth operation wiped it off the map. The client is none other than his father. Or rather, this was his father's dying wish. If you can manage to rescue other prisoners as well, each one will...
See, I'm telling you, you haven't done shit to your fucking PlayStation. Everything's updating right now.
Conscience will tell you
What's
what to
next?
do.
Dragon Age?
Probably.
Yeah, get us a little closer. Now you can drop me in closer.
Be careful down there, boss.
You know the good news about this is?
What's that?
This episode's almost over, and I'm just gonna leave you as close as I can.
Oh, gee, thanks. Fuck my shit up and get me screwed.
I'm not gonna mess you up.
This is you we're talking about here. There's another bird. Shoot that buzzard with the
that's a fucking
sleep.
buzzard.
Shoot that buzzard with the sniper.
Don't move.
That bitch is asleep.
Oh, damn it. They heard me. God damn it. I'm trying to see if I can cover my approach a little bit. Hey, it was worth it. Oh, we get the...
Bye-bye, birdie.
Oh, snap. You know what? I'm gonna leave you right here. That way you can't say that I fucked it up for you. No one's onto me yet, and I am nice and, Ooh, this is... Tank.
That is, in fact, a fucking tank. Start identifying some of those people, though. Is he...
Wait, hold up. Is that the guy? Hey, look, we need to get that asshole.
So shoot him with the fucking sniper.
This far away?
Do you not think you can hit him or something? He's got a helmet on, fucker.
No, he doesn't, does he?
Yes. Yes, he fucking does, you jackass. You just looked at him.
Okay, then right in the chest. There. I'm gonna leave him right there for you.
Oh, God. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to keep up to date.
Hey, I hit him in the chest. He should fall over in any second now.
That's what you say.
Peace.